Hey everyone, it's Sophie with Obsidian Security, and this video is going to be all about the risks of generative AI, plus a quick demo to show Obsidian's discovery and blocking solution. So employees are using GenAI tools to become more productive at work, and as a result, company data gets thrown into the mix. For example, you might ask a chatbot for a summary of a customer call, or to help you structure a roadmap presentation. And GenAI isn't like other SaaS apps. These tools supercharge insider threats by potentially leaking sensitive data within files, so the risk of data loss can be huge. Plus, these GenAI apps are often so new that the vendor's security might contain unknown vulnerabilities. For example, researchers recently exposed a publicly accessible database linked to DeepSeek, which was leaking sensitive data. Despite these risks, more than half of organizations have at least one GenAI app in their environment that they don't know about. What Obsidian does is give you the ability to discover, identify, and block all these unauthorized instances of generative AI, so you can stop data leakage from these tools before it happens. Now we'll jump into the demo so we can see it in action. All right, I'm going to pick a GenAI tool, let's say ChatGPT. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, now I'm in. Now once any employee does that, it's going to show up in the Obsidian console. We'll head over here and navigate to SaaS inventory. Now here's the collection of applications currently discovered in your browser. You'll see OpenAI or ChatGPT down here. I'm just going to go ahead and block all access. Now you'll notice that these apps aren't limited to generative AI. It includes apps like Gong with AI capabilities built in, as well as any app your employees might be accessing in the browser. You can always use these filters up here to narrow down your search to only generative AI. Now these apps will be automatically sorted by criticality based on their capabilities, so your team knows where to focus first. By clicking into an app, you'll get more details. So over here you can see there's another area for us to block access. You also get some more information such as what the app is, the domains it's been observed in, and the users that we've discovered accessing it. Because Obsidian takes an identity-centric approach, for each user we can look at things like activity and alerts to quickly drive investigation. So now we can see I'm going to go ahead and try to access ChatGPT again, and we can see that the application's been blocked. Thanks for joining me today for this quick demo. If you have any more questions or just want to learn more, visit us at obsidiansecurity.com.